Let's review multiplying 3/4 times 2/3, a proper fraction times a proper fraction. In 5th grade, you would have started with a model. So I'm drawing a rectangular model. And then you can start with either fraction. I'm going to start with 3/4. The denominator tells me how many pieces to divide my rectangle into. So I'm dividing it into fourths. And now my numerator tells me I want 3 of those pieces shaded. Next, we work with the second fraction, 2/3. This time my denominator is 3, so I need to divide my picture up into thirds going the opposite direction. And my numerator is 2, so I am going to shade in 2 pieces out of the 3. Next, I need to look for the double shaded area. The double shaded area tells me the answer, how many pieces I have. I have 6 double shaded pieces, so I'm going to write that down. Out of how many total pieces? 12. And 6/12, well, since my numerator is half my denominator, I can reduce this to be half. Mathematically, let's look at how we would solve this. 3/4 times 2/3. Mathematically, I would want to multiply my numerator times my numerator and my denominator times my denominator. When I do this, I can rewrite the problem to be 3 times 2 over 4 times 3. And then I can simplify it. 3 times 2 is 6. And 4 times 3 is 12. What if we didn't know 6/12 reduced or simplified to 1/2? If we did not know that, we could start with factors. 6 can be rewritten as 6 times 1, and 12, well, think about it can be rewritten as 6 times 2. We want to see if we can find a factor they both have in common, and they both have 6 in common. So then all that's left is 1/2. That's my final answer.